Hey, how's it going, guys? Finally here with another video for you today. Today we're showing you guys how to make Captain America shield from any one of the Avengers or Captain America series. So I got this off of Lost Wax website. If you haven't checked out Lost Wax, you can go check them out in the description, or I'll leave a card on the top left, top right. So here I'm just gonna line up the pages up. Here, turn up my brightness all the way up. This is just a white image I just found off Google, and put it above it so I can see what's going on. And where to light up. So here it's all taped up. I'm just gonna need to cut it right now along the side. I don't know what those pieces were. I think it helped me lining it up. Here's the shot. A little time left of me cutting it. Done. Now I'm gonna cut out the star. Now this star actually didn't fit my shield. I actually had to print out a couple of others, but I leave the one that I created in the description below that fit mine, which was the Odin makes one, which the middle one was 8 inches total, made 4 inches circle, I believe. And then the outside rings is 2.5 inches, and then the other one is 2.5. The last one is 2. I grabbed my utility knife first, so let's just cut it open. Oh well. So here's the mess that happened. So yeah, this is format foam I got from Harbor Freight Tools. So yeah, there it is, all the 4 format pieces on there. That's how it looks, how big it is. I'm actually giving this away, so yeah, I'm gonna sign it and everything. I'm just kidding, I'm not gonna give this away. So, piece of paper. Alright, back to the video. Captain America shield. Hello?
What are you doing?
Do you have an extra belt?
No, we do not.
Okay, are you able to bring the yoga ball at 10? 10:30? Okay. Alright, bye. Alright, so let's make Captain America shield. So right here I have these puzzle mats. I was gonna use it for a straight line, but I decided not to. I did this this to me, but it didn't really work, so I just used regular printer paper, which was 11 by 8 inches. I just used that to measure a 11-inch circle, which got me a 22-inch circle. Here's the circle part, actually labeled it on foam pieces. So I'm just gonna score the line right there. So I got the yoga ball for my friend. All I have to do is just blow it up now. So let's do that. did, I'm just gonna wrap the shield with some plastic wrap. I actually had some difficulties. It took me to like the third try just to plug up the hole because there's no plug with the yoga ball. So yeah, it took me like 3 tries just to get the foam on the ball. Actually, just stuck a paintbrush in the hole, not the duct tape. If I use duct tape, then here. Now here's me applying some saran wrap or plastic wrap around the yoga ball with tape. Keep it down. I actually put it over the air hole thinking it would not lose air, so I didn't do that. The third try I actually put it on the side so the hole would be open just in case there was another hole and I could actually take it. I can actually refill it with the and here it is all wrapped. Not that much wrap. I actually had to go back and use saran wrap just to wrap it again for the big bump. The big bumps I learned that I use saran wrap instead of packing tape. So yeah, small bumps with masking tape, and then the big bumps with saran wrap and tape. So here it is in the sun. I actually put it in the sun for 5 hours, flipped it. So right there, that's how it looks. The bottom one.
The next day.
Yeah, so yesterday, yesterday it was cloudy, so I couldn't do anything. So I'm glad to do it that day. Here it is in the morning, all done. There it is. That's how it looks. All the foam pieces, all the saran wrap. Actually reinflated it because I wanted it to keep the shape that it had, and so it didn't look small. So right here I just deflated it, and I'm now gonna just take it out of the saran wrap casing and then see how the foam shield fits. This is how it looks right now. I guess it didn't record that. I thought it did. And where I actually applied the belt. Now I added these pieces. I added hot glue to the other pieces, so it looks like they had rivets on them. So here it is, all primered up. I used primer for it, so the silver will look more shiny, I guess, or it'll stick to it better. That's how the shield looks. I had to actually go over some spots because it had red in the back. Nice, but you sealer to seal the backside. Actually, yeah, remove the mask tape.
So I went outside to grab my shield, right? Never would have guessed what fell in my backyard. Let's see. A Panda Express flyer or poster, whatever. Yeah, that's something new.
Yeah, that was weird. So back in the video, I actually masking tape the star, and here's a shot of me peeling off the tape star. Now I applied some red paint over the two circles, and actually there's some silver on the edges because I thought it would look cool for like dry brushing. I decided to paint over that. As you can see. Alright, this is how I made my Captain America shield. Thanks to Lost Flash and Odin makes for the ideas for making my Captain America shield. And so yeah, here's a little taste of the Captain America shield. Maybe someone's sniping you and you have to use foamium. I couldn't get vibranium in time because it's too expensive, and so I used foamium. Way stronger than vibranium. So what if someone's sniping you and you only have your foamium shield? Here's a taste. It blocks every time with vibranium shield, not vibranium, foamium. Or what if Iron Man is trying to hit you because you want to protect your friend and he's over here killing your parents? All you have to do is just protect yourself with your foamium shield. See how easy that?
Or maybe someone's attacking you and he's coming. Oh my god! Or what if Ant-Man's on your shield and Spider-Man has Captain America's shield? Ant-Man's just gonna pop up. Oh, hey, Ant-Man.
No, actually, I actually posted a picture on Instagram on my story, on my main one. So here's Lost Wax and Odin Makes commenting on my little pictures. No, I give a big shout out to them. Thanks for the ideas, by the way, if you guys watch it out though. But you know, I didn't record an outro for this, but you know, hope you guys like this video. Comment, like, subscribe, and peace out. See you in the next video.